Welcome to the site Meet Your Instructor. So here I am. I'm Judge Joseph Costello. I'm a retired circuit court judge out of Monroe County. And for 30 years, before I came to Siena Heights University, I served as a defense attorney, as a probate judge for about 11 years, as a circuit court judge for about 16 years, and then 3 years as the chief assistant prosecutor. The book that we'll be using this year is the 13th edition of this particular book, Criminal Justice, A Brief Introduction, which you should be able to find at our bookstore or online. If you've ever thought of not purchasing a textbook, some of your fellow students might tell you about the nice savings you'll have if you can find a way to lease the particular textbook. So what are we going to learn this semester? Well, as you might imagine, it's going to be a whole lot of a little bit of everything. We're going to talk about being a police officer and the demands that they have on their time, and what makes a good police officer and what makes a bad police officer. We're going to talk about the criminal justice system through the eyes not only of police officers, but of victims and witnesses and defense attorneys and prosecutors and judges and even as jurors. So I'm hoping to be able to share my experience with you. And although we're here to learn about the theory of criminal justice, we certainly want to learn how to apply it to our real world. And I promise you we're going to do that. I'm looking forward to being your teacher this semester.